Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and today I got a package in the mail from my friends at BeeBeeCraft. Let's see what's inside. All right, I'm going to cut this open, and while I'm doing that, I just want to apologize for the lighting. I'm at my mom's house, and she does not have very good lighting in her house. And it's always a struggle for me when I'm visiting her to do videos. And I have a shaky table, sorry. Okay, there we go. Wow, this is a lot. Ooh, so pretty. Look at all the pretties. So, of course, they always bag them nicely in a bubble mailer. And then they have a bubble, like a sack. Okay, and then each thing is wrapped separately in high quality Ziploc baggies. Look at all this stuff, and I'll just tell you right now, the theme is space for the most part. And if you're interested in any of this stuff, I will leave a link to BeeBeeCraft down in the description box below. I'll also leave a really good coupon code, and I'll also leave a link to each individual piece. All right, let me get situated here and then we'll go through them one by one. So the first thing we're going to go through, they're calling this two-tone opaque baking painted glass bead strands, round. They're a cornflower blue, an 8x7 millimeter, and the hole is 1.2 millimeters. There's about 100 pieces to 102 pieces per strand, and there are 20 strands. Aren't these beautiful? I love their painted glass beads, and these are absolutely gorgeous. You know, I think I have ideas for these. This right here looks like something that you would use maybe for beach or tropical themed jewelry or items. And you know, most of my stuff is tropical, beachy, and this would be perfect for that. But this is also going to be good for doing outer space theme. Doesn't that look like the sky? Those beautiful. These next things are some planets. It's by Honey Handy. They're aloe enamel pendants. Light gold with white. They're 12 by 16.5 by 3 millimeters. The hole, they're charmed, so they have a little hole there. It's 1.6 millimeters. I have 100 pieces here. Aren't these pretty? Now, the center here, it's not mother of pearl, but it has that look to it. And the metal part is a gold. And it's not that bright, shiny gold. These are really pretty. These would be very simple. Just put them on an ear wire and you're good to go. They'd be good for a charm bracelet. Maybe a zipper pull. I like to make those a lot. Oh, those are really pretty. All right. There's some planets. And the next thing, we have some more planets. These are also from Honey Handy. They're Tibetan style zinc alloy pendants. Antique silver charms. Oh, these are nice. They have a little star right here. There are 100 pieces in here. They're 19 by 26 by 5 by... Sorry. 19 by 26.5 by 1.5 millimeters. The hole is 1.5 millimeters. These are a little bit larger than these planets here. Again, they would make good earrings. I'm going to have to do an outer space doll. All right, what is next? do these. These are from Aircraft. There's about 50 pieces in here. It's a triangular pendant, chandelier component. There's the front and there's the back. Aren't those pretty? These make great earrings. You could put like a bead up here and then hang beads down, or just hang beads down here. I'm thinking these might look good on a zipper pull. Let's see, how big are they? They are 18 by 17 by 1.5 millimeters, and the hole is a 1.5 millimeter holes. Those are really pretty. All right. There's two things here. One of them, I'm going to save the one I'm really excited about for last. But this next thing I'm going to show you, I didn't realize they were that bright in color, but I like the colors. There were several things I was trying to get, but I'll just have to say, BeeBeeCraft is pretty popular. So if you see something you like, you're going to need to grab it, because things do tend to go fast. And I had these, and then I took them out of my cart and I put something else in there, and then it sold out before I was able to. I guess somebody beat me to all of them. So then I put something else in there. Same thing happened. So I went back to these clouds. Now, I just had a new grandbaby, and his name is Rain. And so I'm into raindrops and clouds lately. Aren't these cute? I'm going to have to make my daughter, his mother, a pair of earrings with these. I know she likes green, so she'd probably like this. Oh, there's two kinds of green. Maybe I'll just have her pick. Aren't those cute? They just are so cute. We got yellow. I like that pink one. Here's the yellow. We got white. And let's see, a turquoise blue. Now, these are called spray painted alloy beads. Cloud with a smile face, mixed colors. They're 10.5 by 12.4.5 millimeters, and the hole is a 1.4 millimeter hole. There's 100 pieces in here. And I'm trying to see, what are they made out of? They're not, I think they're calling it alloy. Whatever that means. Just, oh, we got some black ones. But the feel that they have is kind of like a halite or stone feel. But it's not. These are man-made for sure. I love these. I'm going to have so much fun with these. There's some orange ones. I don't know if I showed you the orange. And the pink. I have two colors of pink. I like this one. And purple. I didn't show you the purple one. And, oh, there's some light blue. Wouldn't these be actually a really cool pendant on a necklace? For those of you who like minimalist, could just put the wire in here and then hang a little bead, like it would be a raindrop. All right, now these next things I'm really excited about. All right, here they are. They're from Panda Hall Elite. Let me give you the stats on them. Okay. So these are little spaceman charms. The reason I'm so excited about this is because my daddy, he worked for NASA for many, many years. He retired from NASA. We moved to Florida back in 1967 because of the space program. We moved from Huntsville, Alabama. And he worked on the Apollo space program. He helped get man on the moon. And so I grew up in the middle of all that excitement. Now, I was young So I didn't really realize how important and exciting it was until I became an adult. And anything space, my sisters and I just have a lot of fun with. And these are going to be a lot of fun. Okay, so details. Panda Holly Elite. There's 7 styles of Spaceman charms. 28 pieces altogether. There are, let's see, what are these made out of? It says material made of high quality alloy, durable and sturdy, spray or baked painted process. Okay, let's just look and see what we have here. So we have this little guy with a star. It's 4 of those. And I like how they're in this, but they're also in all these little baggies. Oh, this guy, he's sitting down. He's holding a little star. So we got 4 of these. Oh, here's some more. So there's actually 8 of those. And I think there's 8. There must be 8 of each. Did I say that? 7 styles. Okay. So here's some more of these guys. Oh, these have white stars. So they're a little bit different. So tell me, what should I make with all this stuff? Any suggestions or anything you want to see? They have a white star. Oh, look at the moon. He's sitting on the moon. Isn't that cute? Oh, and here's another one with him on the moon. Okay, I don't know which one I like the best. I do think I like these moons so far. Let's see what these look like. I know when my dad passed away, we each got a little moon and star pendant that we wear. And then this guy's sitting on the moon. Isn't he cute? I think this one's my favorite of all of them. So I'm going to get all this stuff picked up, and then I get to start creating. I want to thank my friends over at BeeBeeCraft for all this incredible stuff. I'm excited about seeing what I can come up with. And like I said, if y'all have any suggestions, if there's anything you want to see, let me know, and I can see what I can do about it. Can't promise anything, but I do have some ideas already floating around in my head. And I want to thank y'all for joining me. Y'all have a great day. Put all this stuff out here. Zoom out so you can see all the pretty stuff. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.